Hey guys, Mark here. I hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate the good luck knot. This knot is surprisingly intricate considering how easy it is to tie. Here you can see an example of a good luck knot. It has 3 bites sticking out, which are ideal for making a key lanyard. The knot itself looks very similar to a 2-pass version of the cloverleaf knot, but it is a lot easier to tie. While I'm not exactly sure about the origin of the name for this knot, it does resemble the 4-leaf clover. The 4-leaf clover is a symbol for good luck, so maybe this is the origin for the name. Here you can see an example of use for the good luck knot. I basically took the 3 loops and attached the keys to my home. With this, I made a master set of keys all on one lanyard. At the top, I joined the 2 ends together using a couple of double fisherman's knots. Another example of use is to make one like this. So just a simple knot form with a little bit of a flush at the bottom, and then attach this onto your belt. Once attached onto your belt, you can clip on various items. To tie the knot, take a piece of cord. I recommend that the cord is at least 4 feet long so that you can easily practice the knot. Fold your cord in half and place it down. And with this you have created a bite at the top. Now create a bite on the left side, like this. And then another one on the right side. So something like this. Now we're going to use the 3 bites and the 2 ends to tie a crown knot. I usually hold my cords here at the center so that it is a bit easier to see what I'm doing. Take the 2 bottom ends and place them clockwise over the left bite. Then the left bite travels over the top bite. Then the top bite travels over the right bite. Like this, and finally the bite on the right travels under the 2 strands that I used at the start. Like this. Now tighten up the crown knot. So after pulling a bit on the 3 bites as well as the 2 ends, the crown knot is tightened. Now some bites are bigger than others, so adjust the size of the bites until they are of the same size. After adjusting the sizes of the bites a little bit, we're going to repeat the crown knot for a second time. So take the 2 ends and place them clockwise over the left bite. Then the left bite travels over the top bite. Then the top bite travels over the right bite. and then the right bite travels under the two ends used at the start. Then again, tighten up the crown knot. So once you do enough tightening so that the crown knot looks quite nice, we're going to do a final step. We're going to go to the back of the knot where you can see these 4 cords. We're going to move them to the sides of the knot, which is going to give us these parts here. So to do it, you just pick up one and you move it to the side, and the other one, and the rest. So you just move them to the sides, and your knot is complete. After covering the base form for the good luck knot, most tutorials would probably come to an end. But I went full Sherlock Holmes on this knot, and I wanted to see if I could use any other bite number besides 3 in order to tie the knot. The result, for example, is this version with only 2 bites, which is a less lucky version with the 3-leaf clover at the middle. Now this one is tied exactly the same way, but only forming 2 bites at the start. Let me show you. In this case, again, we have a piece of cord which we fold in half. We place it down, and we create 1 additional bite. So something like this. So we have 2 bites plus the 2 ends at the bottom. We take the 2 ends and we place them over the left bite. Like this. Take the left bite, place it over the right bite, and finally the right bite travels under the 2 strands that I used at the start, and then we tighten up the crown knot. After tightening the crown knot, we repeat the process for a second time. So again, the 2 ends pass over the left bite, then the left bite travels over the right bite, and then the right bite travels under the 2 strands used at the start. And again tighten up. And finally, just like in the other version, we go to the bottom of the knot, and these 3 strands are pulled out to the sides. Like this. And with this we have made a variation of the good luck knot, which is not so lucky. So guys, with this we have taken a look at how to tie the good luck knot, how to modify it to make it smaller, but the same principle can be used to make it larger. For example, this is a for loop version, which resembles a 5-leaf clover. Very lucky, but perhaps GMO modified. So guys, with this I would like to thank you very much for joining me and see ya next time.